Hi everybody, it's Rochelle here with the Hot Years, and today I'm basically doing a very quick follow-up video to my concealer video that I put up a few days ago because they cut off on me after so many minutes and I couldn't get it in. So there are some pictures in that video that show you how I do my concealer, but I just felt that, you know, they weren't good enough. I don't know if you can see them good enough since I'm still new at this, like very new. And as you can see, I have no makeup on. Yeah, I'm a brave soul, right? I have no makeup on. Here is, you know, it's Sunday. It's Sunday, December the 13th, and you know, I'm basically just cleaning. Got finished exercising a little while ago, although I don't know why, because it doesn't work anymore once you're postmenopause. You can starve to death, you can exercise to death. It doesn't work. Anyway, that's another video. So, yeah, look at these eyes, huh? This is what I look like with no makeup on. So this way, when you see me with all that makeup on, you can really appreciate my artistic ability. Anyway, I'm going to show you how I do my concealer. I'm trying to get up close so you can see that these, see the hollows in my eyes? Now, if you can make those look good, you're good. So let's get started here. I am going to use my beauty blender. It is damp. Okay, ready to go. I already put on, oh goodness, where is it? Where did I put you? Here we go. I already put on a little drop. I feel so nice. A little drop of the Glimmer, the Clarity Glimmer of Hope. Where doesn't it? Here we go. This is my first time, well, second or third time really using this, as you can see. I've had it for a while, never used it. But it works really good under my concealer to keep, you know, once you put concealer on so it doesn't get, you know, really dry looking. So, okay, let's get started. And this is what I do. I'm not going to put any other makeup on because, you know, I'm just going to wash it off. I have other things to, you know, to do today. More cleaning. And I keep looking at myself up there when you are right there. I got to get used to that. So here we go. I'm using my favorite concealer. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Multi-Use Concealer. Let's see if this gets focused in. There we go. I'm getting better. Anyway, I'm going to put the go up here. Get some up there. I'm using the color Fair. So, and I have a mirror right here. So let's see if I can do this. Alright, and zoom in. Go up a little. Okay, so that's pretty good. I mean, that's about as good as I can do. So I'm going to go ahead and just do what I usually do. Oh, I hope I'm not out. Let me get some of this out of here. Okay. Now usually I would have my foundation on. So I go ahead, put that on. It really looks different up in the camera than it does in person. Looks like a lot. Okay, so let's go, because the sponge is going to take up a little bit. It looks really white, super white in the camera. Looking at it in person here, it's actually just blending into my skin. It doesn't look white at all in person. That really looks white up there, but it's not white. It's actually flesh color. So just trying to get a good angle for y'all. Okay. And then I might go in and put a little, depends how bad I look that day, So I might go in and put a little more on, it depends. Because you want to build coverage. And no one is going to be, you know, that close to you. Okay. But yeah, it looks super, super white in this video, but it's not. It's actually flesh color. Darn. Oh well. But trust me, it is. And it blends right in with my skin. So usually I'll do that. And then I found this new powder here. It's the one I listed in my concealer video. It's in there. There we go. This seemed to work pretty good under my eyes. So I'm going to try it again. So I just take it and go right in there. Get some more on there. And then if the star settles in the crease, just go over it with your finger real quick. And then when you put my powder on, when I put this on, I go in, I want to look up. So make sure, you know, you get it in the creases. You can see how that just gives it, and put a little bit more. How it just gives it a more finished look. Okay, really helps the hollow a little bit more. I don't put any on the top of my eye. I use there's an, you know, my eyeshadow. I use that to fill that in up there. But you can see, doesn't it look a lot better compared to this? It's very flesh color in person. It's not super bright white as you're seeing it now. It's because I have a lot of light coming in and it's reflecting it, but you can see it really helps with the hollows under my eyes. And then if I'm going somewhere special, you know, if I have somewhere special to go, I will do this. I use this product here. It's by It Cosmetics. Let's see if I can get this to focus. It is called Bye Bye Pores Poreless Finish Airbrush Pressed Powder. I will take a little bit of this. Take a brush and sweep any excess off of what I just put on, the powder I just put on. It's just creasing a little. I'm just going to go over that. But look how much better it really, you know, it really helps to cover up those deep hollows. I mean, it's the best that I can certainly find. So I'll go in here to the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. This is what it looks like. It's very white looking. I'll take some on a brush. I'm using a brush. This is just a Sephora brush. There's no name or number. But you can see it's kind of short with a little bit of a tip on there. Okay, I'm going to knock some of this off. Knock that off. And then I'm just going to go in right where the line is. But you want to be careful because, again, this is a powder and it could make you look, can you see how much whiter that looks? You know, you want to be careful that it's not this white. Again, it's not this white in person. So it's a reflection of the light. So again, I am going to just go right in the hollow. Right there in the hollow. Because it's going to reflect the, you know, any light that's bouncing off the product, which helps. And then I'll just take it and that's what I do, and I kind of like to do that every time I do my makeup because it just really helps a lot. And then when everything else is on, it, you know, you pretty much have a flawless look, as you can see. And let me give you another quick tip. when I'm done doing my eyeshadow, usually as we age, we get divots. See the divot right in there? You get divots, you know, which is from losing all that wonderful collagen and elastin that falls down. So you get divots. And now what you want to do, you know, after your makeup is complete, after your eyeshadow, after everything is done, I'll take something like this Bye Bye Pores, something that's a powder that's a fine shimmer powder, because you really don't want anyone to see it, but it's kind of like camouflage. And you want to take it and go right into your divot. Press it in there, pack it in. And nobody can see it once your makeup is all done. No one can see it. But what it does is it just will reflect light. So, you know, you don't see a deep, dark divot. And, you know, I lost a lot of fat pads here. I call them fat pads. Through collagen, elastin. So there's an indentation there. And I'll get into that in another video. We're going to get deep. So, I'll take it and just go in here. You're just going to reflect it, you know. And if it's a little too much, take it and pat it down. But I just want to create something that's going to, see, reflect that light. And not look so hollow and dense. So, there you go. You have my eyeshadow tip. Yeah, that's what I do after my eyeshadow. But you have my concealer tip. I hope this helps you. Give it a try. Please. Wow, I look bad. This is what I look like without makeup on. So, please subscribe to my video. Please share it. If you think it'll help somebody. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And click on the bell. You'll get notified of my next video. And I am just going to go and take this off. I'm just patting it in now, but I'm going to go and wash it off. But there you go. What a difference, huh? Alright, take care. Have a fun Sunday. I'm going to go and make some jewelry and have some fun because I got all my work out of the way, exercise, I cleaned a little bit, and I'm going to go have some fun, make some jewelry, play with my kitty cats. Bye, take care.